come and sit up here with us so you can protect us.
What do you think, man? Come on. Might as well.
How old y'all?
What's up, guys? Been a while since I made a video, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of an idea of what's been going on. I've been working, had a bunch of fucking cars since we got the shop. It's been one after another. I mean, we had a BMW 318i, a Camaro that we had. We got some random ass parts from some friends. We had a Mitsubishi Eclipse, 98 Honda Prelude that came through. I actually sold the shell because it was just that pristine. We got the Corrado running. I bought a H-swapped Thurgeon Prelude, and it's in decent condition. Some rust, but it needs a bunch of work. I bought a bunch of parts for it. We had a huge meet this past month that was just awesome, guys. It was the all-team bash event that they hold. We got some crazy projects here. Corey's got a Volkswagen Corrado here. We got Corey's Corrado running and ready for the meet. I've got an 82 Honda Civic going ahead to get ready and remove this engine. So I ended up picking up an engine for my wagon after it started knocking. We pulled it and got a D-series. 70 miles an hour, 30 miles with no seat. When I had him pulled it and wedged in the frame rails. We got a Honda Prelude there, a crappy Camaro here, and a BMW. A little bit of idling, correct, but that'll play our hits. Come on, put a quarter in the jukebox, pay our rent, and let it spin till we made our sense. Time to go give, got the mic close fist while the dominoes tip. Mama knows best. Last week, guys, I just wanted to touch base with you guys and show you that progress is happening, and I've just been busy, guys, and trying to do what I can to make a living here. And I'll do what I can to make more YouTube videos as well.